Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. As you could tell by this truck, I am not going down the road because I'm dead stopped. But anyway, today on this video, I'm going to explore the central Missouri. Primarily, I'm going right straight up Uranus. That's right. Going to Uranus, Missouri, and I hope to go there and make as many uncomfortable puns as possible. So stick along with us, and I might just show you some things that I find along the way. You never know. So stick around with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Uranus edition. Well, here we are. I finally made it to Uranus. How could I miss it? It's so big. Let's just say Uranus may not be big enough for its own post office, but in a few more years, you never know. Uranus could be huge, big, massive. Well, I will say this, Uranus is big enough for a rocket. So maybe we should work on that. Well, my wife did not come with me today for obvious reasons. That reason would be, well, how did she put it? I don't want to be within 100 miles of Uranus. Just saying. The community is actually part of St. Roberts, which is just up the street. But they have truly tried to make this its own little touristy stop, which is exactly why I'm here. And I made the long trek halfway across the state from Kansas City, because it really is. And to make this video, and I'm going to do some things, maybe go see the Capitol building, which is also in the center of the state. Let's go through some of it. Let's go into the jail. Nice. Put your head through those. Phil McCracken, Seth Poole, Sharon Buns, and I'm a hog. Oh, caution, baby rattlers. Yeah, just what you thought. So the sign back there on that post said Uranus is home of the pirates. Hope they're not butt pirates, just saying. This is Johnson, who lives in Uranus. Johnson loves to be stroked and petted. Everyone loves Johnson in Uranus. Well, now, that could go several ways. Maybe we should go away. Wow. Guess they get you both ends, huh? Ice cream company. One look at Uranus and you'll go nuts. I think you've gone too far if that happens. Oh, look. I got my head sideways in Uranus. It's all fun and games till someone loses a wiener, especially in Uranus. I wonder if there's a nomadic fanatic knows that there's a Zoltar in Uranus. Wow, so straight out of Uranus they have shirts. Who'd have thought it? Check out this. This one's got the probably packing fudge in Uranus since 2015. Who'd have thought? That's a long time to be packing fudge in Uranus. And just remember, size does matter. In Uranus, that is. Can get expensive. Lots of t-shirts. Poker in the front, Uranus liquor in the rear. How about that? Whole lot of shirts. It gets harder quicker in Uranus. And who'd have thought the best fudge would come from Uranus? Well, how about that? Your university, your head's already in Uranus. You might as well learn something. How about that? And of course, there's all kinds of different ones here, but these aren't nearly as funny. Uranus boxing. Don't get punched in Uranus, fight back. Like that. Don't leave skid marks around Uranus. Uranus, brake repair. That's all awesome. So, if you ever find this many rocks in Uranus, you may need to go see a doctor.
Yes, don't worry. You can order your fudge online at www.uranusgeneralstore.com. I'm gonna go pee in Uranus right now. Fudge, yeah!
Dropping big loads in Uranus. Shouldn't be out of your... Alright. Or more dropping big loads from Uranus. Yeah, that would make sense. This store just keeps going and going. It goes on back to the left. It's really easy. It's really easy to get lost in Uranus. Just saying.
Peanut butter fudge, M&M fudge, toffee bar fudge. There's a fudge for everyone. Right now I'm making the mayor's #2 favorite flavor of fudge. You can try some at uranusgeneralstore.com.
It's great that sometimes you go around to little carnivals and different places and you find these big boards and you get to put your head through them. And we have one here for you too. Yes, you can do that in Uranus. And of course, what would life be without us finding the biggest item possible in Uranus? Yeah, that's right. I found a bus in Uranus. Or we need a bigger tow truck. Well, that is a big store. It just keeps going and going and going. You wouldn't know from the outside that the inside of Uranus is so big. That's basically Uranus is the main store, but they do make this whole little town experience here for you, which makes it a huge tourist trap. Maybe you can even see this big sign out there by the road. Yeah, there it is. But that was a lot of fun. Worth the stop, yeah. Worth the 3-hour drive. For me, it was. But I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you ever get out, you're in central Missouri, be sure to stop by Uranus, because you never know what you want to find when you're poking around in Uranus. So I hope you enjoyed that video of Uranus. You probably found out some things you didn't know about Uranus. Maybe you didn't want to know about it, but you found out about it anyway. We'll let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and send this to your friends who are might want to know more about Uranus. But I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Uranus edition.